Hello and welcome to Colwich Junction. Thanks very much for taking the time out of your day to stop by and see what's been happening here on the railway. Well, from these shots you can see that I made it to Chester Cathedral to see Making Tracks 3, which has been on for the last couple of months, and I believe it runs until the beginning of September. Pete Waterman and the Railnuts have created an absolutely fantastic layout of Milton Keynes Station, which is on the West Coast Main Line here in the UK, if you're not familiar. The detail, especially with the signalling and the overhead catenary and the track work, is just stunning. And if you're a modern image modeller like myself, there's plenty to take in and absorb and to admire and to be very envious of, and make you feel very inadequate as a modeller. Yeah, it really is a special layout to go and see, and I believe later in the year they're going to join all three models that they've done together, so that should be some layout. So yeah, looking forward to seeing that one when it's done. I missed out on picking up a large Logo 37 from Accurascale, but recently they released a few more models, so I managed to pick one up, and along with the sound chip that I was waiting for, which arrived last week, resulted in those previous running shots, and I think the sound is absolutely brilliant. These next few running shots are of the beautiful Accurascale Class 92. I didn't manage to get any Mark V Caledonian sleeper coaches to go with it, so you'll have to excuse the fact that it's running with my Oxford Mark IIIs. I guess rule 1 applies when you run trains on your own layout. I still think it looks okay. I would have liked some Mark Vs, but the price that they're commanding second hand is absolutely astronomical, so I don't think we'll be getting any of those anytime soon. But I hope you enjoy the running shots, and thanks very much for taking time out to stop by, and I'll see you soon. Bye.